Once again, welcome to Build the Future Team HR Conference 2024! The main theme of this conference is Building Brilliance, Crafting the Future Talent Landscape. Let's count together, ladies and gentlemen. 1, 2, 3. With that, I'm pleased to officially declare the Build the Future Team HR Conference 2024 open.
But again, this is the lots of insight, lots of informative informations, which very good for me to deal with whatever need to deal in the future. I mainly work closely with all the talent managers in the other organizations, which I believe lots of other input I can use to counter what they are facing and to advise more what they need in future.
The common item that has been discussed, especially from all the panel as well as the speakers, was about putting back human in human resources, as well as being, having that empathy. And I think that is a common takeaway that I would like to actually bring back home, and also try to very much benefit the team as well as the organization.
I noticed that the speakers emphasize a lot on transparency, open discussion, and empathy. These are the few important key takeaways that can help me strategize my HR strategies.
Awesome! We got a winner already.
I think the entire setup format has been very rightly chosen, and it has been designed in a manner that everybody could enjoy. So thank you so much for inviting over. And like I said, perfect is the only word. It has been very well managed and very meticulously planned.